Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss the question code 15JP110202. So what is given in this question? There is a fixed inclined plane, the surface is smooth and this mass of 2.5 kg is taken up an inclined plane by 2.5 centimeter, and it is given that it is taken till the tension becomes zero. So when will the tension become zero? We know that the tension becomes zero at natural length. So the block is taken up to the natural length of the spring. So currently it is at mean position. It is in equilibrium. The force net is zero, and we are taking it to its natural length. So we can say that the amplitude here is 2.5 centimeter. That's one way of saying it. So the tension becomes zero, and the block is at natural length. What else is given? That we have to find that this angle is 30 degree, and we have to find the angular frequency, which is we always know that it is always under root k by m, since it's a spring block system. But the thing is that we don't know the value of k, so we have to find the value of k, and if we find the value of k we can get our answer. So how to find it? So what is the information that is being given here? That if we take the block from here to here, okay, if we take the block from here to here, suppose at this point the net force which was acting, let me draw the figure again, and if I have to find the force net at 30 degree here at natural length, it was mg sin theta, and at the mean position F net, which was mg sin theta at natural length, at mean position it would become F net is equal to 0. Okay, so what we can say here is that the F net is changing. Okay, so this was the difference in the force. We can always say that the mg sin theta must be equal to m omega square a, since this was the force acting at the extreme position. So cancelling out m, we can always get omega directly from here itself, which would be getting is g sin theta upon a. Omega is equal to under root g sin theta upon a. So no need of under root k by m. We can also use this concept, and we can find out the value of under root g sin theta by a. Another value is definitely to find out the value of k. We can say ka is equal to mg sin theta. Using this equation we can find the value of k and then put it in that equation. Else other method is using this one. That's it.